Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2019 Audi Q5 Premium Quattro in Manhattan Gray. With HID headlamps, deep tinted windows, 20-inch aluminum wheels, rear fog lamps, aluminum interior accents, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 7-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, 10 premium speakers, dual-pane sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3170A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.